What's up guys, today we're making this kind of airplane which is very easy and quick to make and far. It goes super far. First you start with a, just like that long, then fold it this way like little airplanes. Make a crease, then fold it, fold it down. You'll have these two kinds of dots. Yeah. Take them, put them in, just like that. Then, see this? This is a lock. You can pretty lock it. Then just make it crazy. Oh no, it doesn't work. Don't lock it. Then close. Now you have to bend it up to here. Like see, the same size. Do the same thing. And there you go, so fast to make, so easy. And what can you do with this airplane? First, you can transform it, but I'm just going to show you how to make a transform. First, you could just do that and make it fly, but it's not that good to fly, but I'll show you the best thing to fly. You need to do that too if you want to make it transform, just like that. Then do this, make a very, very hard crease. Then open it, just like that. You'll see you have two of these. Hold them, turn them, like you'll have that. Hold them, turn them around, like just like that. And then put this up a little bit, and there you go. You have an airplane like that. So easy, so fun to make, so fun to play with, and it goes super far. You can make it like that, but the transform one, it goes far really. Now I have two of them. See? I know which one's neater, this one. This airplane needs to be neat to fly great. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like, comment if you need some help. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.